No problem. First is by 30th September,
service road.
both service roads shall be perfectly hot mixed, including till MES junction. Directions to PWD, henceforward, and also to them, henceforward no bridge work will start unless alternative roads are perfect. Samge. There should not be any
Service
spot
road
for.
should be done first.
Signboards will be put in 10 days.
Now signboards will be put in 10 days, and these alternative roads for one-way traveling
On both
Will be
sides.
repaired and
shall be repaired by 30th September, and they are informed to the DYSP traffic.
Okay.
For Panchayat, Industries is here with me. The Sarpanch is here. Jilla Panchayat chairperson is also here. I had come here because Mr. Movin told me that today you come here, visit this area. I was supposed to come to the college also. So I said yes, I will definitely come. So accordingly, we have decided that both the service roads, as the work is going on, shall be hot mixed by 30th September. Am I right? They have promised me that by 30th September, both the roads will be hot mixed, unless there is continuously heavy rain and they are not able to start the plant. They are expected to start the plant by 20th or 24th, something like that. It will take them 2 days, maybe 2 days for doing the hot mix. Second, decided is I have given direction to the PWD. Chief engineer also, I have told him that in Goa, wherever there is such bridge work starts, before starting the bridge work, service roads have to be perfect. I don't want any complaint from the commuters who use those roads. ते मागीर सगळे आमकांच मारतात मविना पडटल्यो म्हाका पडटल्यो गव्हर्मेंटाक पडटल्यो कोण आयकना आनी दॅट इज ट्रू न्ही आमी गाडी घेवन वता जाल्यार आमकांय बॉम्ब मारतलो तशें जावपा ना दॅट इज वन थर्ड इज some diversions they are doing where I have told them that by 30th September you make those small roads for one way travel like 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, not trucks, heavy trucks, only cars of the resident. I said make those roads perfect first. As Sarpanch, Jilla Panchayat chairperson, they have suggested they can take them also, and then inform the DYSP traffic saying that roads are perfect. He will inspect and then put up a report to me saying that roads are perfect. Then we will allow. Dadi sab idhar signages galta.
After inspection with this.
Also another thing from safety point of view, there have been 2 deaths here. मातशे लोक समजा भितर गेला ते मातशे ते सारखे करपा जाय. Even the barricades have to be with proper lighting or that neon sign where you can see at night also radiant that illumination should be there, radiant. Where how many times I have come here, given similar type of instruction, I am happy that the Honorable PWD Minister, who is also ex-Chief Minister, Digambar Kamatji, has come here immediately. The moment I rang him, he agreed instantly to come. I said, you come and see the position. And I am happy he has given instructions wherein the results are bound to be there by 30th September. My only additional thing is the barricades that are there at the side, make them little more foolproof so that people don't go inside. We know we had 2 very unfortunate deaths of very young people. And very clear instruction तेणे दिला. असले काम हुई गोंयान चलता तेन्ना ब्रिजाचे आनी कितें सर्वीस रोड पयले करपाचे. So those instructions also have gone. So provided it is implemented, I think something very good has happened after his visit. We will wait till 30th September to see how much
I will come in
ground
between.
reality is there.
Somewhere on 24th, 25th, हांव तुका फोन मारून येता ताकाय फोन मारता just to see your things are online काय ना.